If you're just using AI for fun or to waste time, you're doing it wrong. Right now, people are using AI to make thousands of dollars. AI isn't just for fun, it's a powerful tool. It can help you work smarter, spark creative ideas, and even make real money. In this video, you're going to learn exactly how to turn simple AI videos into income. We'll walk through the entire process, step by step. First, you'll learn how to find a trending product from a big brand, something people are already searching for and ready to buy. Then, you'll use AI to create a realistic product avatar and turn it into a scroll-stopping video that grabs attention fast. Next, I'll show you how to make money from that video. After that, you'll discover how to grow your personal brand by sharing these videos on social media, so your audience and your income keeps growing. Finally, you'll learn how to turn this entire process into a service you can sell on Fiverr or other freelance platforms so you can start earning right away. Let's get started. It's easier than you think. Step 1. Choose a product. You can pick any product you like, from Amazon, Shopify, or even your own product. But before you decide, always check a few things. Does the product have good sales numbers? Are the ratings high? Does it have lots of positive reviews? Step 2. Use an AI avatar with TopView AI. To create the video, we'll use a tool called TopView AI. It's a powerful platform that does everything for you: script writing, voiceover, realistic avatar, and full video generation. Here's how to get started. Click the TopView AI link in the video description. Sign in using your Google account. Click to Start for Free option. Here you will get different style of AI creation tools: avatar marketing video, video avatar, product avatar, product any shoot, batch links to video, and more. You'll now see a library of over 100 AI avatars that come in different ages, styles, and ethnicities. Now go back to the top of the page and click on Product Avatar. Pick the one that fits your product best. Next, upload a photo of your product. You can resize it and adjust its angle to match the avatar's pose. Click to replace it with your product image. Then upload your product image. Make sure your product image is high quality, clean, well lit, and not blurry. Avoid dark or low resolution photos. Try to align your product image with the avatar's hand or gesture. Use the resize and move tools to fit the product naturally into the scene. Zoom in or out as needed so the product doesn't look too big or too small. Avoid covering the avatar's face or important features. When product perfectly set, click to confirm product position. As you can see, in just a few seconds, your image will be ready. Now we have 3 avatar options. Take a moment to choose the one that looks best with your product, then click the image to move to the next step. It may take a little time, so please be patient and let the AI do its work. Don't rush. As you can see, the video is now ready. Let's go ahead and play it.
I'm TopView Product Avatar. I can hold your product with just one image. You no longer have to spend a lot of time and money searching for real models to showcase your products.
As you can see, the avatar is holding your product perfectly. It looks great. But the audio isn't exactly what I wanted. To fix that, just click on Use My Script. Here, you'll see two options, text to audio and import audio. For this example, I'm choosing text to audio. Next, just paste your audio script into the box. You can find product details in the product description section, or you can write your own custom script to make it more personal. After pasting your text, click on the AI voice option. As you can see, there are many different AI voices to choose from, different tones, genders, and styles to match your product's vibe.
I'm TopView Product Avatar. I can hold your product with just one image.
Welcome to TopView.ai, the ultimate AI.
Welcome to
Select the voice that fits your product best, then click Confirm to lock it in. This voice will be used for the final video narration. Now just click Generate to create your final video. The AI will put everything together, your avatar, voice, script, and product, for a professional-looking result. As you can see, the process has started. It may take a few minutes.
A great fragrance that will last on the skin all day long. A signature scent that you can wear for any occasion. Boosts your mood instantly and gives you a feeling of relaxation. Elegant and sophisticated fragrance that keeps you smelling good. Provides an elegant, humble, and sophisticated scent.
Download the final output. Step 3. Make money with social media marketing. Now that your product video is ready, it's time to share it and start earning. Post your video on platforms like TikTok, Instagram, YouTube Shorts, or Pinterest. You can even show it to the company that makes the product. Find the brand's contact info, visit their website and look for a Contact Us, marketing, or PR email address. You can also check their social media bios for contact links. Write a short, professional message. Introduce yourself, tell them you created a product video using AI, and ask if they're using the content. Step 4. Sell your ad video services online. As you can see, many people are already creating AI ad videos and selling them on online platforms, and you can do the same.
Vibrant colors,
Seamless blends, everyday glam.
compact design.
Welcome to our beauty showcase. Today,
Once you've learned how to make AI-generated product videos, you can turn that skill into a service and start earning money. Sign up on freelancing websites like Fiverr, Upwork, or Freelancer. Create a service listing called a gig, offering to make product ads using AI tools. Add a few
great
samples of
fragrance that will
videos
last
you've
on the
already
skin all
created
day
so
long.
potential buyers can see your work. Set a starting price. Something simple like $10, $50 per video is a good way to begin. Promote your services on social media, business groups, or even in YouTube.